Hello everyone, welcome to my watercolor tutorial. Today we will be creating a painting of Zenitsu from the popular anime and manga series Demon Slayer. For this painting, we will be using watercolor paint from Camlin, a paintbrush and a piece of watercolor paper from Boostro. First, we will sketch out the design of Zenitsu using a pencil. It's important to get the proportions and placement of the elements correct. After this, I will darken the outline with the black micron pen before we begin painting. So my outline is completed. Now it's time to paint Zenitsu himself. I'll be using different shades of yellow and orange to create a sense of movement and energy in the character. Now we will start painting the background. I'll be using black on the rocks with some blue tint and a light blue color to create a soft, ethereal look. Finally, we will add some final details and highlights to complete the painting. So guys, I have come to an end of this painting of Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe for more watercolor and drawing videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Enjoy the reveal.